Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Samina Akhter, Assistant Teacher of English of National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take a social science class for the students of class 2 and our topic is lesson 18 reading done and fill in the blanks plus true false. Okay, so this topic is from your annual term and here the lecture number 10 and you will have same SW number 10 and my mobile number is also given here. So let's read the chapter dear students and we will discuss the chapter also. So lesson number 18. The name of the lesson is water. Okay, so let's read the lesson. All living things need water. Water is very useful to us. We cannot live without water. There can be no life without water. We get water from rain. We get water from tube well. We also get water from pond, river, spring, sea and ocean. In cities, treated water comes from the rivers and deep tube well. In most of the villages in our country, we use shallow tube well to get water. We use water for our drinking and to grow our crops. We take our bath, clean our clothes, house and everything with water. We cannot drink seawater. It is salty. We cannot drink water from the river directly because it is dirty. Water is also used for making electricity. Water is precious. It is valuable for our lives. We must never waste water. Okay, so students, we are going to discuss the chapter now. See here, it says all living things need water. Water is very useful to us. So all living things, that means all human beings and also all the animals, they cannot live without water. We all need water to live. So in next lines you can see some sources of water. We get water from different sources, like we get water from rain, we get water from tube well, also we get water from pond, river, spring, sea and ocean. You can see the pictures here also. See the picture of rain, sea, tube well and spring. Spring means waterfall or fountains. So dear students, in cities treated water comes from the rivers and deep tube well. So treated water means water that goes through water treatment to make it suitable for drinking and other use. So we get this water from rivers or from underground through deep tube well. In most of the villages in our country, we use shallow tube well to get water. Shallow tube well means the tube well that does not go very deep underground. Okay, here in these lines you can see some uses of water. Water is very useful to us. We use water for drinking and to grow our crops. Okay, we also use water for bathing and cleaning clothes and house, and we need water to clean everything else. So here you can see we cannot drink seawater. It is salty. Okay, seawater is salty, so we cannot drink it. And also we cannot drink river water because it is dirty. We cannot directly drink river water. Water is also used to make electricity. Okay, so water is very useful and very precious, and we should not waste water, because if we waste water, we might have water shortage problem in the future. Okay, so in the next page we have written some fill in the blanks. You can find these fill in the blanks in your book also in page 41. So let's do the fill in the blanks. Number 1, water is very useful to us. Okay, so write here useful. Number 2, plants make their food with water. Dear students, you all know that plants need water to make their food. Number 3, we cannot live without water. Without water, we cannot live without water. Number 5, we use water for drinking. We use water for drinking. Okay, next we have some true false. So identify the true and false from the following sentences. Number 1, we get water from rain. It is true. Number 2, water is not very useful us. This is false. Water is very useful to us. So this sentence is false. Number 3, plants and animals need water. This sentence is also true. Number 4, when water is cold, it is ice. So it is also true. So dear student, these are the fill in the blanks and true false. I hope you will learn these true false and fill in the blanks very well at home and do the SW as well. So this is it for today's class. See you in the next class. Goodbye.